I'm done. You know, this is a good example of how these things work for me. I mean, it may look like I know what I'm doing, but I really don't. I just get this idea in my head, and I sort of think of the broad strokes and then go with it. I have some experience with this, but not too much. So I make mistakes. It's done. In my mind, the project is done. I'm done with it. That is a more appropriate description. The goal here was to, I had the recording device which you saw, and I recorded some footage of me playing Shadow of the Colossus, which was crap because I didn't know how to beat the first giant, and right after that I did beat him, but right before I did that I had to get the recorder out of the way, so I put it away, and then I beat the first giant, and I thought, I should have taped this. And the reason I couldn't was because it was in the way, so I decided to customize the cabinet and just put a shelf in, and so that the recorder could sit on it. So I tested that out, or I sort of made some measurements, and I knew that it was too deep to fit in the cabinet with the connectors sticking out at the back. So I had to make a hole, and I did all that. I made 2 shelves, only one fit, so and I hate doing things twice. I'm too lazy. No, I just don't want to focus on it anymore. It's had my focus. What you saw is me being able to focus for a while because I like what I'm doing, and then it stops. I'm done, and I'm not going back to change things. The trouble is that, and I'll show you in a minute. Of course, in my mind, I was only thinking about the recorder sitting on the shelf. But below the shelf, there's my Philips video pack and my Atari 2600, which also have wires. So now, when I show you, and I will, it still looks like a mess. That's my. This is me. I go into something with a lot of energy and a lot of focus, but I forget stuff. I don't stop and take a step back and think and redo, and I don't have that patience. And now, halfway through setting the cabinet up, I found out that, hey, I don't have the holes to put the wires through for the 2 consoles that are below the shelf. And then a voice in my mind says, well, take it back, I just put away the tools, just drill a few holes, and you know how easy it was, but it's done with the focus, and it's done with the energy, so done. Anyway, having installed this now, I should be able to do some more gameplay footage of stuff. I don't know what yet, but I was thinking of doing the Colossus thing and beating all the 16 Colossi, which I don't see myself doing because the first one was really hard. And the controls are fuck on this. They should shoot the guy. The guy who made up the controls for this game is in love with giants. He didn't want them destroyed. I'm pretty sure. Anyway, I don't know if any of you have finished the game, but I'm suspecting somehow that the protagonist in the story, the player, he brings his dead girlfriend to a temple, and there's a voice there that says, "Hey, I can help you bring your girlfriend back to life. All you have to do is kill these 16 giants, and this is what you do." But the thing I felt when I killed that first giant, I felt sorry for the guy. You know, he was just minding his own business, right? He was just walking along, and he wasn't doing anything. And along comes this little dude on a horse, and he pulls out a knife and starts stabbing him. And that's me. So I'm thinking that at the end of all the trouble that you go to finish the game and killing all the giants, you find out that you're actually the bad guy. But you get what you want because your girlfriend is alive, but now you're the devil or something. I felt sorry for the giant. I don't know. I'm a wuss, I guess. I never felt sorry for the ghosts in Pac-Man though. But these giants, the first thing that came into my mind, hey, this guy's probably been alive for a long time. You know, and who am I to kill him? He's not doing anything. If you look at the gameplay, the guy's just standing there wondering, hey, what the fuck? You know, someone's climbing on my back and he's trying to shake you off. And so it's an evil game. Anyway, I'll try and I'll show you what the end result is, because you can't look at all me, you know, drilling holes and that shit without seeing the end result. So here we go. Here we go. Bear with me. Can I zoom out here? Ooh. Focus or something, I guess. Well, this is it. You know, that is the recorder. That is an RF switch that I use to connect this one and that one to the TV up there. Sorry. But you know, you can see all the wires here. These wires and those wires. Those are power leads and the RF cables. Of course, they should have had their own holes to the back, but I forgot to drill those holes, and I never will now. So that's it. I'm out of shot now. We'll go back. We'll just do this and close these. Oh, I can't see myself now. So that's the end of Walt's woodworking woodshop thing. I hope you enjoyed it. So I'll if any of you have questions on how to beat the first giant of Shadow of the Colossus, you know, or if you need culinary advice, you know, hey, or if you want a hole drilled in some wood, you know, hey, you can call me, and I can tell you everything I know. So, because there can be only one.